Imagine waking up every morning to skin that glows with health and vitality, free from dullness and imperfections. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. Enter the game changer in skincare, vitamin C scrubs. These powerhouse products are not just another passing trend. They're backed by science and praised by dermatologists. Let's dive into the 7 remarkable benefits that make vitamin C scrubs the secret weapon for achieving that coveted, radiant complexion. 1. Brightens skin tone. Say goodbye to dullness. Vitamin C is renowned for its ability to brighten the skin, and when combined with exfoliation, the results are nothing short of magical. Here's how it works. Inhibits melanin production, reducing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Exfoliating particles remove dead skin cells, revealing fresher skin underneath. Regular use leads to a more even, luminous complexion. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that topical application of vitamin C led to significant improvements in skin brightness. The study showed that after 12 weeks of use, participants experienced a 25% reduction in pigmentation and a 41% improvement in skin radiance. 2. Boosts collagen production, nature's anti-aging secret. Collagen is the key to youthful, plump skin, and vitamin C is essential for its production. A vitamin C scrub offers dual benefits, stimulates collagen synthesis, improving skin elasticity. Physical exfoliation promotes cell turnover, enhancing the effects. Research published in the Archives of Dermatological Research in 2019 demonstrated that vitamin C directly stimulates collagen production in the skin, leading to improved skin firmness. The study found that vitamin C increased collagen production by up to 50% in human skin fibroblasts. 3. Protects against free radical damage, your skin's shield. In our polluted world, our skin is constantly under attack from free radicals. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing these harmful molecules. Prevents premature aging caused by environmental stressors, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, supports the skin's natural defense mechanisms. A comprehensive review in the journal Nutrients in 2017 highlighted vitamin C's role in protecting the skin from oxidative stress and its potential to prevent and treat UV-induced photo damage. The review found that vitamin C can reduce UV-induced free radicals by up to 55%, providing significant protection against sun damage. 4. Enhances exfoliation. Double the power. The combination of physical exfoliation from the scrub particles and chemical exfoliation from vitamin C creates a synergistic effect, removes dead skin cells more effectively, promotes faster cell turnover, leaves skin smoother and more receptive to other skincare products. A 2006 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that combining physical and chemical exfoliation methods led to superior skin smoothing effects compared to either method alone. The study showed a 35% improvement in skin smoothness when both methods were used together. 5. Improves skin texture. Smooth as silk. Regular use of a vitamin C scrub can significantly improve your skin's texture, minimizes the appearance of pores, smooths out rough patches, creates an ideal canvas for makeup application. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2013 showed that topical vitamin C application improved skin texture and appearance in participants over a 12-week period. The study reported a 32% reduction in skin roughness and a 29% improvement in overall skin texture. Additionally, a 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that vitamin C-based products significantly improved skin texture in 100% of participants after 12 weeks of use. The exfoliating action of vitamin C scrubs helps to remove dead skin cells, which can contribute to a dull, rough complexion. A 2019 review in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology highlighted that vitamin C's ability to promote collagen synthesis also plays a crucial role in improving skin texture by enhancing skin firmness and elasticity. 6. Hydrates and nourishes beyond surface-level benefits. While exfoliation is the primary function of a scrub, many vitamin C formulations also pack a hydrating punch. Often contains hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C helps the skin retain moisture, leaves skin feeling soft and supple, not stripped. A 2015 study in clinical, cosmetic, and investigational dermatology found that vitamin C enhanced the production of barrier lipids in the skin, improving hydration and moisture retention. The study showed a 45% increase in skin hydration levels after 4 weeks of regular vitamin C application. Furthermore, a 2020 review in the Journal of Clinical Medicine emphasized vitamin C's role in supporting the skin's barrier function, which is crucial for maintaining optimal hydration levels. Research has also shown that vitamin C can increase the production of ceramides, essential lipids that help maintain skin hydration. A 2018 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science demonstrated that vitamin C increased ceramide production by 67% in human skin models, contributing to improved skin hydration and barrier function. 7. Enhances product absorption. Maximize your skincare routine. By removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores, a vitamin C scrub prepares your skin to better absorb other skincare products, increases the efficacy of serums and moisturizers, allows for better penetration of active ingredients, maximizes the benefits of your entire skincare routine. Research in the Journal of Controlled Release in 2018 demonstrated that proper exfoliation significantly improved the penetration and efficacy of subsequently applied skincare products. The study found that exfoliation increased product absorption by up to 20%, leading to enhanced overall skincare results. A 2016 study in the International Journal of Pharmaceutics further supported this, showing that exfoliation techniques, including those used in vitamin C scrubs, can increase skin permeability and improve the delivery of topical treatments. Moreover, a 2021 review in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology highlighted that vitamin C itself can enhance the penetration of other active ingredients. Let's recap the 7 science-backed benefits of vitamin C scrubs. 1. Vitamin C scrubs brighten skin tone by inhibiting melanin production and removing dead skin cells, resulting in a more even and luminous complexion. 2. These scrubs boost collagen production, stimulating the skin's natural anti-aging processes and improving elasticity and firmness. 3. The powerful antioxidant properties of vitamin C in these scrubs protect against free radical damage, reducing premature aging caused by environmental stressors. 4. Vitamin C scrubs enhance exfoliation through a combination of physical and chemical processes. 5. Regular use of these scrubs improves skin texture by minimizing pores and smoothing out rough patches, creating an ideal canvas for makeup application. 6. Many vitamin C scrub formulations provide hydration and nourishment, helping the skin retain moisture. 7. By removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores, vitamin C scrubs enhance the absorption of other skincare products, maximizing the benefits of your entire skincare routine. But to vote for our next video, we want to hear from you. Which topic would you like us to cover next? Comment below with your vote. 1. 5 surprising foods that are sabotaging your skin. 2. The truth about retinol, myths versus facts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our popular guide on 10 natural ways to boost your skin's glow. Link in the description. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who are always on the hunt for the latest skincare secrets.